Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be looking at how to set the right price for your Fiverr gig. You see, for you to be able to do this, you must have good strategies like smart pricing strategies. Number one, always research competitors. Check similar gigs in your niche. And the second thing you need to do is use tiered packages. Offer basic package, standard and premium. Then the third thing you need to do is value-based pricing. Charge more for expertise. For example, YouTube editing with motion graphics, charge more. So the fourth thing you need to do is upsell extras. Rush delivery can be maybe $30. Voiceover can be plus $50 and thumbnails can be plus $20. Also avoid these mistakes on the pricing. You see, $5 gigs attract bad clients and hot profits. Also avoid no clear pricing. Vague packages confuse buyers. Ignoring costs and another mistake people make. Factor in your software, your time, and the revisions you do. Then lastly, static pricing. Raise rates as you gain reviews and skills. Don't leave it static. Pro tip, start mid-range, then increase after 5 to 10 positive reviews. For example, basic can be $50 simple edits, premium $300, full cinematic edits. Don't forget, right pricing equals better clients and higher earnings. Hope you found this video helpful.